Park Howard Avenue, Llanelli. Mab is staring at Robert. Robert tries not to stare at the cake. They are waiting for a car to take Mab to a ceremony at the Hilton Park Lane Hotel in London to honour her.
Mab had gone from junior reporter to news editor.
Mab's stories were about travel and incredible situations and the joy of connecting with other people.
I knew I had to experience things in order to write about them. Over the next 10 years, at different papers, I wrote a series of exposés.
As he got older, Robert grew tired of the stories, these fantastic, outlandish stories that his friends made fun of.
Remember the story we made up about the zoo on the moon? There was a grand ball for the animals, and the antelope danced with the zookeeper, who's important but boring.
Please stop.
But she fell in love with a zebra.